how to find the current Ulta Beauty deals on the deals page. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to give you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to find the Ulta current beauty deals on the deals page. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by heading over to their browser, which is ulta.com. Once we are here, we can hover over to the section for deals and beauty steals or promotions, something like that. We can just go over and look out for that option, or let's click on this option called sale. And once we click on it here, we'll be finding different options. We can look out for featured deals, sale, and click on it. After that, right here, this is our deals page right here that we can look out for. This will show us all of the latest offers, sales, and specials. We can just go and look out for it. We can even filter it out. We can click on this option called show filters and go ahead and filter it out by in-store, category, brand, price, and many more. And click on the option called view results to view it up. And in this deal space, we'll be looking out for the sales particularly. We can go ahead and view it up. And here we'll be specifically buying special offers that are active right now. So here we can look out for such as free gift, which or many other special discounts. And there are deals by category, makeup deals, skincare, hair care items on sale with reduced prices, and many more that we can view it up. And apart from that, we can look out for promotions like BOGO 40% off or buy to get one free, often valid for a limited time. We can look out for free samples as well here and go ahead and browse it and scroll to the section with multiple offers. And you might also see links to coupon codes or saving events, sometimes separate from the deals page. And we can just go over and view it up. And deals page is the main place to see the current discounts. You'll be finding sales by product category, special promos, and gifts with purchases. And codes and coupons may be linked from this page too. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.